morning, friends. Breakfast time before, after exercise. Palabok and egg with bread, lots of bread. Exercise attire. Exercise lang, hindi aerobics ha, friends ha. Mahirap na kasi kapag aerobics eh. Mineral water. Dati nag-aerobics ako, ngayon hindi na kasi nga senior citizen na eh. Kinakailangan lang exercise lang, exercise. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yun lang. Sabi ba, kinakailangan daw kapag morning exercise tayo, mag-walk-walk. Kaya, before exercise, breakfast na kaagad kasi senior na, may hina na ang tuhod. Bye! Ito ang inyong Sister Glenda.